If you don't see notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, what you can do is, first of all, you can check if the Do Not Disturb mode is not activated. So we can go to Quick Settings, and over here you can keep scrolling until you find Do Not Disturb, which is this minus button over here. If it's enabled, then of course all notifications will be muted. You don't want to do that, of course, if you want to be informed about new notifications. Besides that, you can go to Settings on your smartwatch. Over here, open Notifications, and then go to App Notifications and make sure that all relevant apps have enabled notifications, that notifications are enabled for these apps. Besides that, you can also check that on your smartphone, so make sure that your smartwatch is of course connected to your phone. And you can open Watch Settings, proceed to Notifications, and over here we have App Notifications. By the way, there's also Show Phone Notifications on Watch, which can also be managed, so make sure that it is set up properly. But essentially you want to go to App Notifications, and over here first you will see Watch Apps, so apps that you have on your smartwatch, and below you also have apps that you have on your phone. So if you don't see phone apps, then you can make sure that they are enabled over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.